Yan yung magpupuno nung energy of wealth, no? Yung mga wala pa tayo pero gusto natin magkaroon tayo. Iniipon natin ang wealth bases in the instance that we really lack real wealth. Yan yung magpupuno nung energy of wealth, no? Yung mga wala pa tayo pero gusto natin magkaroon tayo. That's why it's always good to actually collect them. Alam niyo po, ako nag-umpisa lang ako nung nalaman ko about the young boom, that it's really very powerful. Nag-umpisa po ako, I'm also struggling. Of course, I have a little business, pero roller coaster. Tapos talagang I was really dependent on the money coming in, no? And then, I learned that when I did the Kala Chakra, there was one Rinpoche who actually mentioned about the power of the wealth vase, no? And then, mula po noon, I went crazy really, no? Collecting all kinds of vases. Kasi ito yung mga cosmic wealth. Ito yung mga wealth na hindi galing sa atin, hindi physical. Hindi ito yung yaman na kailangan natin trabahuhin para magkaroon tayo, no? So, this is a completion of the essence of wealth, of abundance, no?